In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy shares with Trading 212 Invest. By the end, you'll have confidently completed a share purchase on Trading 212 Invest using a market order, from searching for a stock to reviewing and confirming your order. First, open the Trading 212 app and log in. On the home screen, tap the magnifying glass to open the search bar. Type the name or ticker of the stock, ETF, or other instrument you want to buy. When you see it in the results, tap it to open the Instruments page. Now analyze the stock. On this page, look at the performance chart and switch timeframes to see short-term and long-term trends. Scroll to review key financial data provided by the app. If analyst sentiment or ratings are available, check those as well to get a quick snapshot of how the market views this instrument. Take a moment to make sure this is the exact stock or ETF you intend to purchase. When you're ready, tap the Buy button on the stock's page. Next, select the order type and amount. Decide whether you want to purchase a specific number of shares or a total monetary value, for example, $100 worth of the stock. Use the toggle or input options on screen to choose the one that suits you. Make sure Market Order is selected. A market order buys immediately at the current available price. Because market prices move, the final execution price may differ slightly from the price you see when you tap Buy. Enter the number of shares or the cash amount you want to invest and double-check the figure before proceeding. From here, review your order details carefully. On the order summary, confirm the instrument name, market order as the order type, and your chosen quantity or cash amount. Check the estimated price and total. Look for any applicable fees. For UK stocks, Trading 212 may show a 0.5% stamp duty, which is a government tax on share purchases. For trades in a foreign currency, you may see a 0.15% FX fee, which covers currency conversion. These amounts will be shown on the summary, so you know the full cost before you place the order. If everything looks correct, tap Send Order to finalize. Once that's done, the app will place your order immediately. You'll see a confirmation that the market order executed, and the position will appear in your portfolio at the filled price. If the market is open, this typically happens right away. If prices moved slightly during execution, that's normal for market orders and should match what you saw in the estimate. At this point, your share purchase on Trading 212 Invest is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.